Thank you for joining DCD as we teach you how to assemble a custom blade and all of the unique parts that you can choose from. Your first step of assembly is to choose the double male connector that corresponds with your specific cable. These are found on page 11 and 12 of our 2023 catalog, and the options consist of DM101, which fits SP and R cables, DM102, which fits SP cables, DM201 fits slip joint cables, DM501 fits slotted cables, DM701, which is used for hex style fittings, and DM802 and 803, which fit our R-type section cables. After selecting the right double male connector for your cable, you will then pick your blade holder size, which is found in the catalog on page 10. You can choose from a small BH801, medium BH802, or large BH803 blade holder. You then will select a blade that corresponds with its particular blade holder. In the catalog, the blade holders are grouped with the corresponding blades. Pear-shaped blades pair with the small blade holder, P-trap blades pair with the medium blade holder, and large blade holders pair well with round bottom blades with teeth, round bottom blades without teeth, grease blades, large 2-inch half blades, and large 2.5-inch round blades. For our blade assembly example today, we are using a DM101 large double male connector, a BH803 large blade holder, and a BL723 3-inch round bottom blade with teeth. We will also be using the MT101 T-wrench to tighten everything down. Start by sliding the large blade holder over the threads of the double male connector. Make sure the double male hexagon shoulder fits firmly between the back side of the blade holder in between the sides. After that, you will slide the blade over the threads of the double male connector so that the blade seats into the blade holder comfortably. Then take the remaining small brass piece of the blade holder and slide it curved side down over the threads so that it is resting against the blade. Next, you will want to put the lock washer on the threads against the small brass piece, followed by the nut. Tighten down the nut so that there is ample torque against the entire fitting, so that the blade cannot move. We recommend an MT101 T-wrench for this application. When you need to replace a blade, simply remove the pieces in reverse order, replace the blade, and reassemble. At DCD, we take pride in being a 4th-generation American manufacturer of drain cables, machines, and accessories. If you have any questions, please reach out to our sales team at 855-SHOP-DCD or visit our website at dcddrain.com. Thank you for watching.